Alright, in this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to send email in Gmail, alright? In confidential mode is a new Gmail feature. The first step is to launch a web browser. Here I'll be using Google Chrome for this, okay? As the web browser opens, visit gmail.com and log into your account. I am in my inbox right now, so I have login. So the next step you need to take is to click on Compose. Then you have subject area. But before we do anything, let's first activate this confidential mode. So take your cursor to this side where you have this padlock icon and it stays toggle confidential mode. Click on that. All right, a new pop-up will show up here and it tells you recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. What it means is that when you send this email to someone, the person will not be able to do what? To forward the message to a particular duration of time, or copy it, or even print it. But note, if you are sending an attachment, he can have access to the attachment. All right, it's different. But any message you are typing on this place, the person will not be able to forward it, copy, or print. Okay, until a particular duration of time. Then here it says set expiry, and expires in 1 week is chosen by default. If you want something different, you click on this drop down. You have expires in 1 day, you have expires in 1 month, and you have expires in 3 months, as well as expires in 5 years. So I don't want this guy to have to be able to copy this or forward this message maybe for a period of 5 years. So let me select this option. And here, let's you can see is he's going to have access to copy or forward or print on until November 23, 2030. That's cool for me. Then it says all passcodes will be generated by Google. No SMS passcode, all right, is selected by default. But if you want SMS passcode to be required, please click on this for him to have access to SMS passcode before you'll be able to access the email. But I don't have any need for that. This mode is okay for me in this case. Then after that, click on save button. Okay, now that we have saved this, we have activated the confidential mode. Let's say some things. So click here and add the email address of the person you are sending this to. Okay, so here I've added the email address, then subject. Then click here and add the subject. All right, this subject reads last week's financial report summary. So click inside this section and say few things. Okay. Okay, my message reads last week we made a total of $50 million in sales. Okay, maybe my boss is requesting for me to send him how much we made for a particular duration. Okay, and this is good. This is finance and it needs confidentiality. All right, so once you finish composing what you want to compose, click on send and this message is sent. All right, in this tutorial, I have access to this email, the email account. So let's see how it works, whether really what we say this feature does that for real. So let me access the email. And here we are. I am in the inbox. So I'll click on this. And you can see that it says last week we made a total of $50 million in sales. All right. So which is the right information. So let's see if we can copy this. We'll be able to copy this. I'm trying to highlight it. It's not highlighted, not to talk more of copying. Okay. Then let's talk about the option of print. So by default, when you want to print an email, okay, sent to Gmail, you click on these three dots and you select print. Okay, but there is no option for print here, meaning that I cannot print this. Then let's talk about the next option that they say we cannot do once we put this in confidential mode. And that option is forwarding. So let's click on these three dots again, and there is no forward option, meaning that this feature that Gmail introduced really works as they said it. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.